In question number 5, the statement is the sum of two rational numbers is 4 by 21. If one of them is 5 by 7, find the other. So one number is given to us. We will assume that the second number is equals to x. Sum of two rational numbers is 4 by 21. Now according to statement, the sum of these two numbers is equals to 4 by 21. Now keeping x on left hand side, we will subtract 5 by 7 from 4 by 27. 4 by 21, because we have taken 5 by 7 from left hand side to right hand side, and here it is positive, and when it goes on right hand side in the opposite side, its sign changes. Now we have to find out the LCM of 21 and 7, and its LCM is 21. Now we will divide 21 by both the denominators 21 and 7 respectively. When we divide 21 by 21, the quotient is 1, so we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1. Now we will divide the LCM 21 by the second denominator, that is 7, and its quotient is 3. So we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3, and we will get another rational number. Now putting these values in the value of x is equals to 4 by 21 minus 5 by 7. The value of 4 by 21 is 4 by 21 minus the value of 5 by 7 is 15 by 21. As the denominators are same, we will write it as it is 4 minus 15. Now plus minus is minus. We will subtract 4 from 15 and it is 11 by 21. As 15 is the greatest integer, therefore we will put the negative sign, because the greatest integer is having the negative sign with itself. So the value, so the second number is minus 11 by 21. In question number 9, the statement is what should be added to minus 3 by 8 to get 5 by 12. So let the number to be added is equals to x, and according to the statement, the sum of two numbers is equals to 5 by 12. Now keeping x on the left hand side, and when we take this number from left hand side to right hand side, it will be having positive sign. Now we will find out the LCM of 12 and 8, and it is 24. Now we will divide 24 by the denominators 12 and 8 respectively. When we divide 24 by 12, we get the quotient 2, and we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 and get another rational number. When we divide 24 by 8, we get the quotient 3, and by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 3, we get new rational number, that is 9 by 24. Now putting these values in the value of x is equals to 5 by 12 plus 3 by 8. X is equals to 5 by 12 is equals to 10 by 24 plus the value of 3 by 8 is 9 by 24. As the denominators are same, so we'll write it as it is. X is equals to 10 plus 9 upon 24. 10 plus 9 is 19 upon 24 is the value of x. So the number to be added to the given number is 19 by 24. The statement of question number 14 is what should be subtracted from minus 3 by 4 to get 5 by 6. So let the number to be subtracted is equals to x, and according to the statement, minus 3 by 4 minus x is equals to 5 by x. Keeping minus x on left hand side, and when we take minus 3 by 4 from left hand side to right hand side, its sign will change and it becomes 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4. Taking the LCM of 6 and 4, and it is 12. We will divide 12, the LCM 1 by 1 by 6 and 4, the denominators. When we divide 12 by 6, the quotient is 2, so we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 and get a new rational number. When we multiply 12 by 4, we get the quotient 3, and we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3 and get another new rational number. Now putting these values in the value of minus x is equals to 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4. Now minus x is equals to 10 by 12 plus the value of 3 by 4 is 9 by 12. Minus x is equals to 10 plus 9 upon 12. Minus x is equals to 10 plus 9 is 19 upon 12. But we want the value of x, and here we are having the value of minus x. So we will put the sign of minus on the right hand side, and the value of x is minus 19 by 12.